Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, this is the stunt car I bought. So let's see its review and demo. MRP of this car is $799, but we got it from Amazon for $389. And this is remote control toy car. You get 4 color options to choose from. And inside the box, there is this remote control and one USB cable to recharge the car. And here is our stunt car. The lithium battery is inside the car and it's rechargeable. It has rubber tire and a plastic body, and the plastic doesn't feel cheap. At the bottom of the car there is a switch to turn it on or off, and before using the car charge it for at least 1 hour using this USB cable. And for the remote you will need to insert batteries. It takes 2 AA batteries, that's not included in the pack, and this part of the remote make the car go forward and backward, and this is the left and right joystick. The car is super cute. It can 360-degree rotate from the front, and it makes flexible turns, and it can spin from anywhere. So with 1 hour of charging you can easily play for 20-25 minutes. So it's a great product for kid age 4 to 10, and it's definitely worth trying. So I'll give it a solid 4 star out of 5. Endless entertainment. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.